Namaste. Do you know somebody who takes lot of pride in their dreams? Do you know someone who has great communication skills, great business skills, however, they don't bring everything in practice? If you have come across some personality like this, then we are talking about people who have sun placed in the nakshatra of Revati. To those of you who are new to astrology, Revati is a nakshatra of Mercury. It is placed in the sign of Pisces and it is the last nakshatra from the nakshatra belt. Most planets complete their cycle when they reach Revati. People who have sun placed in a nakshatra of Revati are usually very artistic. They love to travel. They have good business skills. They have interest in political science. They have great sense of humor. They always look forward to change. And why this happens? Because their nakshatra lord Mercury changes signs quickly. It is one of the most changeable planets, and hence these people with sun placed in the nakshatra of Revati usually have unstable temperament. They switch their focus from one thing to another very quickly. They get lost in their dreams. However, they are very intelligent, they are very artistic, they are great creative people. This placement of sun will always make them very spiritual. Due to whatever hurdles or obstacles they face, there is a tendency that they choose to go on the routes of doing drugs, some addictions, and this is the time when you should be very careful about this placement. Whatever your anxieties are, whatever insecurities are, try to address them. Seek support from siblings, teammates, your family, and work with the talents that you have. This is a great placement for sun depending on where Mercury is placed. If Mercury is exalted, you will see great returns. If Mercury is debilitated, that means you have conjunction of sun and Mercury in the Pisces sign, then it is a great idea to surrender to the divine. Have faith in humanity, have faith in anything that you want to create in this world. Total surrender will always give great outcome from this placement. Who are the people who have sun in the sign of Pisces in the nakshatra of Revati? They are Betty Ford, Al Gore, Eddie Murphy, David Letterman. If you have sun in the sign of Pisces and in the nakshatra of Revati, then what could be the professions, what could be your career interests? Usually these people go into cinema, travel industry. They are employed in the airport, public transportation authorities, or they choose to have a global kind of job. Film actors, comedians, politicians, journalists, editors, writers, publishers, travel agents, and these people will be really good at their work. They take pride in doing that work and they will be usually known in their fields. This is a great placement for someone who wants to be spiritual, have faith in the divine and work towards humanity's. If this sun has malefic aspects, then the insecurities will be more. You may feel more anxious. However, if this sun has benefic aspects, then you will definitely get good results from this placement. If you want to know more about placement of sun in various nakshatras, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com so that I can get back to you with your queries. Thank you. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu.